Is your eFootball game stuck on a black screen and not loading at all? Does it freeze after opening or during gameplay? In this video, I'll show you how to fix the black screen issue in eFootball on Android. Solution 1. Adjust the refresh rate and device compatibility. Make sure your phone meets the game requirements. Low-end devices may struggle and show black screen issues. If you're using a device with a high refresh rate, then the game sometimes struggles to sync during the splash screen. Go to Settings on your device. Then, tap Display and Touch. Scroll down and look for Smooth Display. Temporarily toggle it off to Smooth Display and try launching the game. Once the game loads, you can usually switch it back. Solution 2. Reset graphics settings. If the screen turns black right after the Konami logo, then the resolution might be set higher than the current system state allows. Launch eFootball and look for the 3-line menu on the bottom right of the title screen. Then, tap Graphics Settings. Lower the graphics to standard or low for player and stadium graphics, and set the frame rate to 30 FPS just to see if it bypasses the black screen. You can turn them back up once you're on the main menu. Solution 3. Developer Options Tweak. Sometimes, overlay settings in Android interfere with the game rendering. Go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap System. Scroll down and tap Developer Options. If you don't find it, then enable Developer Options. Scroll down to the Hardware Accelerated Rendering section. Toggle on Disable HW Overlays. This forces the system to use the GPU for screen compositing. Solution 4. Clear cache and force stop. This is the most common fix. It clears out stuck temporary files without deleting your game data or team. Go to Settings on your device and tap Apps. Then tap See All Apps. Find eFootball and tap it. Tap Force Stop. After that, go to Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Storage unless you have your Konami ID linked, as this deletes local data. That's how you fix the black screen issue in eFootball on Android. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching!